Hi, to enable or disable camera mirror effect on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Camera app first, and in this photo mode, tap on 4 dots right here, and then choose this first icon, which is Settings. After that, you need to scroll a bit down till you could see this tab Mirror Effect. So let's just find it in this list, and here it is, Save Selfies as Previewed. So if you want to turn off camera mirror effect, then you need to enable Save Selfies as Previewed just by tapping on the switcher. And now let's read this out. I'm gonna press camera shutter button, and now we got no mirror effect. But if you wanna mirror your selfies, then you need to disable this feature, and when you'll press camera shutter button, it will look like that. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.